Hello, good morning to all the students. Today we are going to develop a concept of chromosome. Also, DNA concept we are going to develop, gene and type of chromosome. These four topics we are going to study here. We are going to develop the concept regarding these four topics. Uh, Let us talk about the DNA at first. In a cell, there is a nucleus, and inside the nucleus there is highly coiled thread-like structure, and this structure is called DNA. This structure seems to be highly coiled thread of DNA, but when we do the microanalysis of this structure, we see like this structure. This actually the DNA is a spirally coiled structure. The way we have seen the spring, it is a spirally coiled. Similarly, two threads of DNA, they are spirally coiled to form a double helical structure. This DNA is responsible to control all the characters in our body. It is the DNA that passes from our parents, so that we are near about similar to our parents. Due to the passing of DNA from parents to the child of elephant is like elephant, the child of dog is like dog, the child of human being is like human being. It is the DNA that helps to transfer the character from parents to the child. Okay, this DNA, the highly coiled thread-like structure, this DNA, when this cell go for a cell division, this DNA gets changed into the certain structure, and this structure is called chromosome. This structure is called chromosome. Actually, this chromosome is formed by the DNA as well as some protein are required here. That protein is called histone protein. We can call like this: histone protein plus DNA that makes a structure of chromosome. Here different proteins uh, are embedded in the coiling of the DNA, and that protein is called histone protein. DNA plus histone protein makes the structure of chromosome. We cannot see chromosome in all stages of cell. Only when the cell go for cell division, there is one stage called metaphase stage. During the cell division stage, only at that place we can see the structure of chromosome. We can also say the DNA controls the character, or we can also say this chromosome controls our character, because this chromosome is also made up of DNA. Okay, in a human cell there are 46 chromosomes. When this cell go for a cell division, 46 such type of chromosomes are formed inside the cell. Out of 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are called autosome, and 2 chromosomes are called sex chromosome. How we can say like this: the type of chromosome is of two types, autosome and sex chromosome. Out of 46 cells, 44 cells, out of 46 chromosomes in our cell, 44 chromosomes are autosomes and 2 chromosomes are sex chromosomes. If it is a male body, in male the sex chromosomes are XY. If it is a female, the sex chromosomes are X and X. We can say like this: in a male cell, if you are observing the male cell of a male person, then there are 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. If we are observing the female cell, in that cell there are 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. Okay, I hope we have understood the type of chromosome. This autosome is responsible to code growth and development character in our body, and while this sex chromosome is responsible to control or determine the sex of the individual. Okay, let us develop the concept regarding this gene. Actually, gene is a part of DNA, or we can also say it is a part of chromosome that determines a particular biological character. We can observe like this. Suppose this is a DNA. In this DNA, suppose this much character, this much part of DNA is controlling the character of I. From here to here, suppose it is controlling the character of here, then we can say this is one gene, this is one gene, this is other gene, and similarly next other genes are present. Lot of genes are present on the DNA. We can also say because this DNA is used to make the chromosome, we can also say a lot of this is one gene, this is another gene. We can also say the genes are present on the chromosome, and this one gene is responsible to code one character, while other gene is responsible to code another character. So we are now defining the gene. Gene is a part of chromosome or part of DNA that is responsible to code for a single biological character. I hope you understood the concept of chromosome, gene, DNA, and type of chromosome. Little bit more we can understand about the DNA. This DNA is made up of three things. DNA actually it is made up of three things, that is phosphoric acid, similarly deoxyribose sugar, deoxyribose sugar, and nitrogenous base. In the DNA, there are four types of nitrogenous base. They are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. In this way, this nitrogenous base, deoxyribose sugar, phosphoric acid, they combine in different way to form the DNA, and DNA combine with histone protein to form the chromosome. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. In further video, we will go in detail about the DNA. For today, only this much. I hope you understood the topic, concept of topic. And if there is any problem to you, please comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Motivate me, like me, comment me. Thank you. Best of luck to everyone.